Action.
Okay. Welcome to Tumi Studios. I'm Michelle, joined here by Jay, and today we're going to install a peel and stick wall mural. Let's go.
Cut!
Step 1. Prep. When you first get your package, unroll it and inspect for any problems. Line up every panel from left to right on the floor and make sure that every edge lines up. There will be a slight overlap here, so keep that in mind. The most important step here is to clean your wall. Do not skip this. Make sure that it is clean and dry from any dirt, dust, or grease. Step 2. Peel it. Starting with the top of the first panel, peel back the backing paper about 6 inches and roll it out of the way. Step 3. Stick it. Lining it up with the edge of your wall, apply the sticky side of the panel to the surface with your hand. Continue pulling off the backing paper in small increments while smoothing it out on the wall. Just slight pressure is enough to make it stick for the time being. You'll go over it again later with more force. If it doesn't seem to line up, it's no problem at all, just gently lift it from the surface and do it again. Step 4. Repeat. You're going to take your second panel and line it up to the first. Remember, there will be a slight overlap. Just match the pattern of the second to the first and repeat each process for every panel. If you find yourself with a panel that doesn't seem to line up, it's no problem at all, just gently lift it from the surface and do it again. Step 5. Trim. Take a sharp blade and trim away any excess edges. And there you have it, a beautiful new mural to transform your home or office. If you're interested in this design, head over to wallums.com or check out the link below.